Are you gonna eat it or play with it? Harlan, you're gonna eat it or play with it?
Yes.
You can't just say yes. I asked you 2 questions. It's one or the other.
Yes.
You're silly. Are you gonna eat it or just play with it?
Yes.
No, you're silly.
Yes.
Are you gonna eat it or are you gonna play with it?
Yes.
That's not funny.
Yes.
Can I sell all your toys?
Yes.
Do you love Mommy the most?
Yes.
Are you a big dork?
Yes.
Are you gonna be a doctor?
A doctor.
Are you gonna be a doctor?
Doctor.
Do you have hiccups?
Pick up. Yes.